Hello and greetings from Allied Solution. I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to unbox Extech Thermometer IR Thermometer plus MSX technology. It is a flare product. Let's do its unboxing and check out what's inside the box. But before unboxing, we can see what are the key points in this thermometer. It has 2.4 TFT color display with easy to navigate menu, built-in dual cameras, visual thermal MSX. Coaxial laser allows for locating hot and cold spots. Measuring temperature is up to 650 Celsius. So what is the MSX? MSX is basically a thermal imaging technology that captures in real time for greater clarity without diluting the image or decreasing the thermal transparency. It is a patent flare technology. Is this MSX. So let's do this unboxing and let's see what we get inside the box. So as we open the box, we have the quick start guide, its ribbon, the USB cable and the holding bag and the thermometer bag. A very nice bag for the thermometer, and this is the Extech IRC130 thermal imager thermometer. So let's do some test and how we can see that how this product works, and it detects hot and cold spots, and we will show some images. If you like this video, do subscribe and Allied Solutions and keep watching. Thank you so much.